Give it up to JB,
It's good to be back on tour, isn't it, boys? It's good to be back out here.
Thank you for joining us.
It's good to be back out here, right?
Yeah.
It's been a good break. It was a great break. You guys had a good break?
Yes, sir.
We took about, they took off. I was still working overseas. But we took off a little bit from the tour. Oh, I'm tired. Gosh. Okay. Alright. So, you guys happy? You excited for the night? Oh, these girls aren't happy. These girls aren't excited. There we go. So, I was wondering if you guys have any questions or anything for me. Bad questions? What's a bad question?
Will you marry me?
That's a bad question. Because
what's the answer?
I guess so. But, alright, cool.
He's got a really good question. A really intellectual question.
Yes. Pardon? That's a good question. Well, basically, every night I have a girl come up on stage.
Tonight it's gonna be me.
No. So we have a girl come on stage every night, and they come out in the middle of the show, so I don't pick it now, but you guys can have the chance. Basically, Allison comes out and she looks through everybody and finds a random girl who she thinks is special to come up on stage, and so yeah. Yes, if you guys have any gifts, make sure to give it to Adam. Where's Adam? Adam is gonna take gifts. Cool.
Gifts for me, I'll just take.
What?
Gifts for me, I'll just take.
No, you won't.
Alright.
No.
Adam will take my gifts too then.
Hey, are you from Brazil? Really? You came all the way from Brazil? Where in Brazil? Oh, cool. So you speak Portuguese? I love you in Portuguese. What? Eu te amo? Nice. Eu te amo. Alright. Can you back up like at least 5 feet? Yeah. Get right in my personal space. Alright. Yes. Favorite song I performed? Great question. Is Down to Earth. That's my favorite song. Alright, cool. We're gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna ask you some questions. And then change.
We need to get some snacks. Oh.
I got candy. I got candy. So, what is my brother's name? Don't yell it out. Don't yell it out.
Hands high.
You won't get it. You gotta raise your hands. What is my brother's name? Baby brother, yes. Jackson, how do you spell it? Yes, she got it. All right. She wins a candy.
A Swedish fish.
Yummy. All right. That was weird. Anyway.
Who's hungry?
Okay, cool. All right. So the deal is, you can catch it like in it. Sorry.
You want a chance to compete?
Phone's ringing. Well. Yeah. Wish I could answer it, but I can't. Alright, so basically what you can do is you can either try to catch it in your mouth, or and if you do that, you get to come on stage. Or and if you don't, you can just catch it in your hand and then you get to have this awesome treat.
You guys didn't know you're coming for athletic competition.
You ready? Okay, cool. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, so close! Almost.
It's still good though, you can eat it.
Eat on the ground, it's 20 seconds.
Oh, clean floors.
Alright, next question. What is his name?
I said it earlier.
Who's hungry?
Yes?
No.
No, it's not Asia. It's not Asia, but they know Asia. What's up, Asia?
We know
they know you. Good. It's not Asia. Yes. What? Oh my God. It's what? Is it because... What? I'm British. I'm British Puerto Rican.
You all really look at
Yes.
It's a whole different race. It's a whole different race. Yes. Yeah.
Dawn?
What?
John.
Dawn.
John. Why would you say John?
John Chu?
John. Oh my gosh. John. They're just naming Asians. They're just naming different Asians, bro. I'm surprised you didn't say his name was Dom or one of them. Legacy.
That's funny.
Yes. Mark?
Safe. That was the safe guess. Let's just switch it.
That was Mark is a really popular name. Maybe it'll be Mark.
She knows right there. She knows.
Yes.
Okay.
You know? Do you know?
Yeah, you. There you go.
Morning! She got it right! Oh my God. Don't cry.
Give her a stand.
You ready?
Ready?
No. Can't cry because if your eyes are watering, this is... Alright. Ready?
Ready.
Dun, 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 dun. Ready? Oh, so close! Wow. That was such a good throw, too. Alright, ready? What is... Tay, I like those shoes.
Mr. Happy.
I like them.
Ounce. What color is that?
Alright. You're stupid, Taylor. You're stupid. Alright. Sorry, don't call people. Don't say that, please. It's not nice. Tay, I'm sorry.
No, you good, man.
Alright.
That's cool.
Okay. Next question. What is my middle name? Don't say it. Don't say it. Such an easy one. Yes, in the back.
True.
Yeah. That's the right answer. Actually, my middle name is Danger. You gotta
Give her a chance.
Focus. Give her a good toss.
Alright.
Get ready.
I think you should stand on the ground. Because I don't want to get hurt. I don't want to get hurt. Ready? Drum roll, please.
Open up. Open.
Actually, no, I don't need that. I don't need that. It's gonna distract her. I need Eye of the Tiger. I need Eye of the Tiger. I need Eye of the Tiger. Ready? Alright. Down. So close!
Great throw.
So close. That was a good throw, though.